northeastern Spencer County in southwestern Indiana until 4:15 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dale, or 18 miles northeast of Boonville, and is nearly stationary.
Oh.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dale and Santa Claus. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer and Warwick.